Ultralight Plywood Direct to you. Hi, I'm Ron Paulk, designer of the Smart Wood Shop, as well as a number of smart workbenches. If you want any of my plans, you can click on the link in the description of this video down below or at the end of this video. So what am I talking about? Ultralight Plywood Direct to you. Well, you have emailed and called Moreland asking for this material. This is the material that I choose to use. I built the entire Smart Wood Shop from it. I built all of my benches from it. It's not only structural, beautiful, and just layered and laminated. It's just a nice product. I love working with it. But most important, on average, it's about 40% lighter than a comparable AC plywood. Weight's a big deal for me because I am a mobile carpenter. I haul these benches in and to the jobs, and even around my garage in my house where I set them up and tear them down and move the car out, set up, at the end of the day, tear them down, put the car back in. I don't want a big, heavy bench. I want it structural and strong by design, not by mass or weight. So I love this stuff. So what do I mean direct to you? Well, Moreland has gotten emails from you, phone calls from you, requests, demands. Where do we get it? Where do we get it? And they're trying to get it out to as many vendors as possible so you can just go down to your lumber yard and buy exactly what you need. But rolling material out and getting it into the supply chain, there's a lot to it and it takes time, and you need the material now. So they are jumping ahead and providing it online. You just go there, and I'll put the link in the description down below. You just go right to the site. They've got the plywood priced. You can see right what it is. The only variable will be shipping to your location. Obviously, somebody closer to their point of shipping would be less, and somebody further away would be more. But still, you can just factor that in. When it's all done, they'll give you the price before you order, so you'll know exactly what it's gonna cost your door. And this plywood is already priced incredibly fair for the quality level that you're getting, so that should help offset the shipping costs. Additionally, what they have done is they've put a button for like the Smart Wood Shop. So you click on it, and it has the exact material that you need to build the Smart Wood Shop. And they also have a couple of my workbenches as well. So again, I want to be clear, at the Moreland site, it's just the plywood. It's not the plans, and it's not the hardware and the other things you need. It's just the plywood, but that's been the tough material to get. So thanks to Moreland for doing that. Make sure you go over there, and even if you've already got it, maybe just give them a quick note and thank them for going that extra mile. They're trying to remove as much friction as humanly possible from your experience so that you can get what you need and you can get it now. Hey, thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. If you want to follow along with all of my videos, be sure that you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, because that way you'll know when I put up a new video. Again, thanks to Moreland. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.